Welcome to this algebra lesson on like terms. Today, we are going to learn how to identify terms that can be combined to simplify expressions. This is a fundamental skill you will use in almost every math class from now on. Before we dive in, let's quickly review what a term is. In an algebraic expression, terms are the parts separated by plus or minus signs. For example, in the expression 4x plus 7 minus 3y, we have three distinct terms, 4x, 7, and 3y. So, what exactly are like terms? The definition is specific. Like terms are terms whose variable parts are exactly the same. This means two things must match. They must have the same variables, and those variables must be raised to the same powers. Think of it like fruit. If you have 2 apples and you add 3 apples, you get 5 apples. That makes sense. But if you have 2 apples and add 3 oranges, you cannot combine them into 5 apple oranges. You still just have 2 apples and 3 oranges. In algebra, variables work the same way. You can only add or subtract them if they are the same type. When checking for like terms, there is one part you should ignore: the coefficient or the number in front. Identifying like terms is all about the variable part. Notice here how 4x and 9x are like terms because they both share the variable x. However, 4x and 4y are unlike terms because the variables x and y are different. Be careful with exponents. Even if the letter is the same, the power must match too. X is not a like term with x squared. Think of them as completely different shapes or objects. You cannot combine them. Let's try a quick practice. Look at the term 3a. Which of the terms below is like 3a? Is it 4b, negative 2a, or 3a squared? The answer is negative 2a. They both share the exact same variable, a, with no exponent differences. Now look at the term 7y squared. We need to find the match. 7y has the wrong exponent. Y cubed has a different exponent. The correct match is 100y squared. Even though 100 is a much bigger number, the variable part y squared matches perfectly. What about plain old numbers, like 5 or negative 3? These are called constant terms. The good news is that all constant terms are like terms with each other. You can always add or subtract regular numbers together. When you see a long expression, it helps to visually group them. Here, we can put a red box around the x terms, 3x and negative 2x. Notice how we include the sign in front of the term. Then, we can put a blue box around the y terms, 5y and 8y. Now it is easy to see what can be combined. To wrap up, remember these 3 rules. 1. Check that the variable letters match. 2. Check that the exponents match exactly. And 3. You can ignore the coefficients when deciding if terms are alike. If you follow these steps, you will never get them mixed up.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.